Hey guys, it's Jed Scott here, and well, tonight, I say night because it's nighttime, we're going to work on my 241 Red Ram Hemi, 1954 model. We're going to get this thing disassembled and see if we can knock those pistons free. So I'm going to set up the little camera, and we're going to get her back apart and see if we can knock some pistons out. See ya when we get to work. Disassembled for the most part. We got two stuck pistons, which we're going to let them soak with some CRC knocker loose. That's the stuff we found that works best, and if that don't knock it free, then I guess we'll just have to apply some heat, light heat. But I cleaned up these bores, just wiped them out, and they look really good. A little bit of a hone, not much ridge there. I'm surprised how good a shape this engine is for 1954. Even the cam looks good. I mean, a little bit crunchy, but oh yeah. Got all the pistons out on the odd side. Got the heads back off. We need to get those degreased. Yeah, just look at how tiny these pistons are. They are tiny, and they're in really good shape. That wrist pin moves real free, but just a tiny engine. Put this the way I want them oriented. There we go. So yeah, there you guys go. Tomorrow, after I let that stuff soak, we're going to try and get those last two pistons out and start assessing all of what we need to buy. Definitely going to be lots of oven cleaner, which we're going to use to degrease the engine. Oh boy, lots and lots of fun. So I'll see you guys once we start working on it again. Clearly, as you can see, it's a beautiful day. Not really, it's hot. Isn't that right, Dad? It's hot. Dad's working on his car while I work on the Hemi, the little 241 Red Ram. We're gonna degrease these hopefully, because they are just absolutely covered. You can't even make out the casting numbers. So the trick is oven cleaner. So we're going to get the little camera rolling on that janky stack of 5-gallon buckets. You guys can watch it actually work, which means I can watch it later. I think it'll be cool watching this stuff get lifted off. Wait about 10 minutes, I'm going to come out here and rinse it off and see how good it is and see how many coats it takes. See you then. hope you guys enjoyed watching stuff work. These heads have already developed a coat of rust and they haven't been sitting out very long. But now you can read the part numbers and everything. You can even see the DCPD. And the rocker arms are a lot nicer looking. Got to get all the arms moving free. Spark plug tubes look better. That stuff works amazing, don't it, Dad?
Seems to.
Pretty neat. Even did the valve covers, and these things were pure black on the inside. I mean, that's all they were, was just one big ugly black mess of crude oil. And now we got something much better to work with. Of course, they got some surface rust on them now, but that ain't gonna hurt nothing. Get all these valves out and clean them up with the wire wheel and put some protective coating on them and they'll be good. Right now I'm doing the oil pan and all that stuff because that thing had some heavy sludge in it. So, hope you're enjoying, guys. Just did. We ordered these brushes from Speedway so we could start cleaning ports and things, all the water galleries and all that stuff. And Dad wanted to model these brushes. You're gonna put Michael out of a job with that hand modeling.
Multiple.
Here, Dad, I got a close-up shot. Do that like real slow motion like. Oh God, I can't even.
What are you gonna use these brushes for, son?
Cleaning my butthole.
Even this one?
Yeah, maybe not. That might be kind of painful.
That's a big brush.
That's a big brush. But they'll be handy. Ah, beard comb. There we go. That'll be perfect. And we got some baby ones in there, but we ain't digging down in there for those. And if nothing else, you know, like on a really boring day, fencing. What the hell? Why do you get two? Okay, I got a camera. Yeah, they're kind of flimsy. Well, we'll probably never get to use these because we're going to break them before we ever get to use them.
We'll have to use them for the baling wire.
Yeah.
We'll hang an exhaust pipe with them or something.
Yeah, we'll hang the exhaust pipe. Yeah. Don't say that because we probably will. Damn. All right, well, I'll show you guys more when we get back on it.
Bye-bye.
Hand model. Oh, yeah.
Hand model.
See that? Hand model.